आपेवाळ प्रियोच्या दोगा तरणाट्यांक सरकारी नोकरी दिवपाच्या हायस दाखोवन फसवणूक केल्ल्या प्रकरणात अजित सतरकाराक अटक। मुखेल दुबावीत पूजा नायकाक 4 दिसांची पुलीस बंदखण। पूजा आणि तिच्या घोवाचे बँक खाती सील करून गाडी लेगीत जप्त केल्या। तरणाट्यांनी अशा प्रकारच्या हायसांक बळी पडचे न्ही, दक्षिण गोंय पोलीस अधीक्षक सुनीता सावंत हांचे आवाहन।
आपेवाळ प्रियोच्या दोगा तरणाट्यांक सरकारी नोकरी दिवपाचे हायस दाखोवन 14 लाख रुपयाची तोपी घालपी पूजा नायक ह्या बायले आड गुन्यांव नोंद करून तिका म्हादळ पुलिशेन अटक केली। ह्याच प्रकरणात आता आनी एका दुबाविताक पुलिसांनी ताब्यात घेतला। अजित सतरकार अशें ह्या दुबाविताचे नाव आसा। चौकशे वेळार पूजा नायक हिणे आनीकूय साबार तरणाट्यांक फसवून पयशे घेतिल्ल्याचे उक्ताडार आयले। ते उपरांत पुलिसांनी तिचे सयत तिच्या घोवाची सगळी बँक खाती सील केल्यात। तशेंच तिचे कडेन आशिल्ली गाडी लेगीत पुलिसांनी जप्त केल्या। तशेंच पूजा नायक हिका 4 दिसांची पुलीस बंदखणीची ख्यास्त फरमायल्या, अशी माहिती दक्षिण गोंय पोलीस अधीक्षक सुनीता सावंत हिणे दिली। पूजा नायक हिणे गोंयच्या विंगड वाठारांतल्या तरणाट्याकडसून पयशे घेवन तांकां सरकारी नोकरी दिवपाचे हायस दाखयल्ले। तेन्ना जांचे कडल्यान पयशे घेवन तांची फसवणूक केल्ली आसा तांणी स्वता फुडें सरून म्हार्दळ तशेंच मडगांवच्या पुलीस स्टेशनांनी तिचे आड कागाळ नोंद करची, अशें आवाहनूय सुनीता सावंत हिणे केलें।
Mardol Police Station has registered an offence under section 1 and 318 of BNS, wherein complainant Gurudas Govind Gowde, he is a resident of Apewal Period, complained that in the year 2021, on 2 different occasions, a lady by name Shravani alias Pooja Naik, alias Rupa Palkar, resident of Old Goa, being an employee, posing herself as an employee in the secretariat at Porvorim, induced him to pay an amount of rupees 7 lakhs towards giving job to his son as LDC in the transport department, and further another 4 lakhs from one Meenu Gowde for the same purpose, for giving employment to his wife, and through the said Meenu there was another 18 lakhs taken for giving job to another 2 persons in the PWD department as junior engineers. So thereafter, having not provided the job and not returned the money, Mr. Gurudas Gowde has given a complaint to the police station, which has been registered by Mardol Police Station. We have apprehended said Shravani alias Pooja Naik. She has been remanded into 4 days of police custody. Further, we have seized her 3 bank accounts. We have also freezed her husband's Purushottam Naik's bank account, another 3 bank accounts. We have also seized the Honda Amaze car from the said lady during the course of investigation into this crime. I would like to appeal to all the people of Goa, in case they have come across this lady with this scam, being providing job and having taken money from them, my request to all to come forward and give their complaints at the police station Mardol or Ponda police station, and come forward so that we can keep this lady and find out her other associates in this case. Our investigations and interrogations with respects to them are ongoing.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक TV।